right? The song is called Time's Up for the Billionaires. So this is how it's gonna go, alright? I'm gonna say, time is up, and then you're gonna say, time is up for the billionaires, alright? You got it? Let's try it out, okay? Whoa. Time is up. Time is up for the billionaires. Time is up. Time is up for the billionaires. Time is up. Time is up for the billionaires. Everybody. Time is up for the billionaires. Alright, Everybody know what time it is. What time is it? That's right. And we're gonna go out there. We're gonna rock with Joe Tache, because we know we need to build a people's movement, a working movement to stand up for all of our working people. That is the only solution. That is the only solution. Again, make some noise for yourselves. This is only possible when the masses come together, when the people come together. We can't do anything without the people. So make some more noise for yourself. Come on. Let's donate to the Tache for MA campaign. Let's volunteer for the Tache for MA campaign. Let's tell our mom, our dad, our sister, our brother, our friend, our co-worker, our boss about this movement. That's the only way we can build back better and build stronger. The only way we can fight for socialism. Time is up! Time is up! This is what we do it for. So you guys, thank you so much for coming. Everyone have a great night. Make it back home safe. Get in touch with the organizer here tonight to figure out how to best plug yourself in, because we need everybody.
On deck, dogs. Because remember, we say no more because yes, we can. Remember that. Remember that. And with that being said,